A player kicks a ball at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal with an initial speed of 20 meters per second. A second player 60 meters away in the direction of the kick starts immediately to catch the ball. The speed with which the second player should run so as to catch the ball just before it touches the ground is. So here the problem is like this. So this is a problem under projectile motion. So we'll first understand the problem. Here a player from the origin, say, is kicking the ball. So the ball kicks a ball at an angle of 45 degrees. This angle is given as a 45. So it goes and falls here. This is a range, isn't it? Then with an initial speed of 20 meters. So yes, the initial speed is given. Another boy is here. Let us say this is the boy. He is at a distance of 60 meters from here. So this distance is 60 meters. So we have to find first where the ball going to land. What is the range of the ball? If you know, we can calculate the other one. So first we will go for the calculation of the range of the ball. So what is the range of the ball? What is the formula for range? Range is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. So in this case u is given as a 20 meters. So u square 20 square into sine 2 theta, sine for 90, sine 90 is going to be 1 by, it is a g. So it is going to be g. If you take 10, then it is going to be 40 meters, because 20 square is 400, 400 by 10 it's going to be 40 meters. So range is 40 meters. So in the problem, so the range is 40 meters. The boy is at a distance of 60 meters. So there will be 20 meters gap between the boy and the ball when it is landing. So we have to calculate what is the velocity with which the boy should run this 20 meters. So let us go for so distance has to be covered by is 20 meters. So we have to calculate what is the time of flight, because then only we can go for the correct speed. So time of flight, time taken by the ball to land at the point R is time of flight formula is 2u sine theta by g is the time of flight. So in this case it is going to be 2 into u is 20 sine 45 1 by root 2, g is 10. So it is 4 by root 2. Our answer is 2 root 2 is the time of flight. So we come to know the time of flight is 2 root 2, range is 40. So what should be the velocity with which he has to travel, isn't it? So the boy should run 20 meters with a time 2 root 2. So velocity equal to distance by, velocity the boy should run is equal to distance by time. What is distance? We have already known, that is 20 meters. So 20 meters by, what is the time taken? He has to take only 2 root 2 before the ball reaching the ground. So 2 root 2. So it is 10 by root 2, or we can write this as a 5 root 2. So answer is 5 root 2 is the answer. So 10 by root 2 or 5 root 2. So answer is D, 5 root 2. I hope you will understand this problem. We move on to the next one.